What can I say about that vegan teacher that hasn't already been said by a million other YouTubers? She is a donkey headed donut who has no respect. She wrote out the N word next to a black puppet. But and as a white woman, she should know that that's not okay to call people that word. She, as a blatant disrespect and hatred for YouTubers, and the only reason she's taking out her anger at YouTubers is because she can't take out her anger on TikTok. But stop it. Leave Gordon Ramsay alone. Leave Mr. Beast alone. Leave all the good YouTubers alone. No, that vegan teacher. No one likes you. In fact, if you like this video, then you are one of the people who doesn't like that vegan teacher. But if you dislike this video, but if you actually like that vegan teacher, then go ahead and leave a dislike on this video. Well, and I know there's probably going to be like tons of trolls who are going to leave a dislike just because they think it's a funnier thing to do. Ooh. But I want you to be honest on how you vote on that vegan teacher. Are you for her or against her? Do you support her in her animal rights activist caring ways? Or do you want her to just basically F off and leave society alone?